Welcome back to the Bird Chef and happy Halloween. Today we're going to be making corn dogs from scratch and they're going to be filled with sweet Thai chili sauce. Now let's get started. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to warm up the hot dogs. We're going to get them rolling on there. We want them warm on the inside or outside so that it cooks more evenly. Next up, we're going to start mixing up our ingredients here. We have 1 cup of flour. We got 1 cup of corn flour. 1/4 cup of sugar. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper. And we're going to mix all of our dry ingredients first before we add the wet ingredients. Up next, we're going to crack the egg in there. Then we're going to add the 1 cup of milk. And we're going to get it mixed until it's nice and fully combined. If it's looking like it's a little too dry, we're going to add a little bit more milk, up to 1 cup more. We're going to start off with a 1/2 cup. Get that mixed in there. We want it thin enough that we can dip our dogs in there and get a nice even coat on them. Still looking a little on the dry side, so we're going to add a little bit more milk. Sorry about that, bird. Now we have it at the consistency that we want it. Alright, now we're going to pour that into a regular drinking glass. Which gives us the right dimensions to dip the hot dogs and get a nice even coat of the batter. We don't want to fully fill up the glass because we want to have room for the hot dogs to disperse a little bit. And that should be good right there. Alright, now we got the hot dogs all warmed up. We got some warmed up sweet chili sauce. And we're going to inject it into the dogs. Just a little bit. Then we're going to take our sticks and we're going to put it in the same way that we put the sauce in there. And now we're ready to dip that. We're going to heat up our fryer to 375. Once that's heated up, we're going to be ready to dip our dogs into the batter and then stick them in the fryer. Alright, now that that's at 375, we're going to take our dogs and we're going to dip them in the corn batter. Nice and slow. Get a nice even coating around the tip. Pull it out nice and gentle. And then we are ready to fry. We're going to slowly lower it into the fryer, making sure that we get a nice golden crisp around the outside. And then while that's frying up, we're going to get the next one ready. Same thing. Right around the edge. Pull it out. Nice even coating on there. And then we're going to slowly rotate it into the oil. Getting a bit of a skin on the outside. And we're going to leave them in there until they're nice and golden brown. Use a pair of tongs, make sure that you're getting them turned so they fry evenly on all sides. Doesn't take too long to fry. nice gold crust on the outside. Dry it off on a paper towel. These two are almost ready to come out. Just make sure we get them evenly browned on all sides. Then we're going to take the next one and dip it in there. Get that nice even coat on the bottom. Pull it out slow. And rotate it as we put it into the fryer so that it creates a bit of a skin on the outside. Being careful because the oil is hot. And then we are ready to take the corn dogs out. Look at that nice golden brown color on there. Dry it off on a paper towel. Beautiful. Now we're just making sure that we get them nice and golden brown on all sides. Being aware that the oil is hot. This one's ready right there. Look at that nice golden brown. This one's also ready. And that last one is ready as well. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more episodes.